Ever wondered how to keep growing your favorite garden veggies year after year without ever buying seeds again? Today we're diving into the most popular seeds to save and all the different ways to do it, step by step. And don't worry, this will be so simple that even a 6-year-old could teach someone else by the end of this video. Let's get started! Not all seeds are created equal. Some are super easy to save while others can be tricky. Here are the best ones to start with. Super easy seeds, perfect for beginners. Tomatoes. Just scoop out the seeds, rinse and dry. Peppers. Open up a ripe pepper, dry the seeds, and they're good to go. Beans and peas. Let them dry on the plant, then shell and store. Lettuce. Wait for flowers to turn fluffy, then collect seeds. Marigolds and sunflowers. Easy to grab from dried flower heads. Pro tip, always save seeds from the healthiest, strongest plants. Weak plants equal weak seeds. Different seeds need different methods. Let's break it down. Let them dry completely on the plant. Store in a paper envelope or glass jar with a label. Keep in a cool, dry place. Moisture ruins seeds. Pro tip, adding a little rice or silica gel to jars helps absorb moisture. Scoop seeds into a jar with water. Let them sit for 2 to 3 days. They'll ferment, which helps remove the seed coating. Rinse, dry, and store. Pro tip, if seeds sink, they're good. If they float, they won't grow well. Some seeds need a fake winter before they'll sprout. Place them in a damp paper towel, seal in a bag, and refrigerate for a few weeks. Seed storage is just as important as saving them. Here's how to make sure they last for years. Use paper envelopes or glass jars. Plastic traps moisture, which leads to mold. Keep seeds in a cool, dark place. A basement or fridge works best. Label everything. Write the name and date collected. Pro tip, want to test old seeds? Place a few on a damp paper towel. If most sprout in a few days, they're still good. Saving seeds is like passing down a little piece of your garden's history. And the best part? The more you save, the stronger and better adapted your plants become. Subscribe for more gardening wisdom and hit the like button if you learned something new today. And remember, grow your future one seed at a time.